Hey everyone, Eli here with Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at these Coucur 4-in-1 AI smart glasses. This is the M01 Pro. These things are amazing because not only can they video record, take photos, etc., they can also record audio. They have AI translation in instant time, and they've also got an AI assistant. So you can go ahead and take pictures of things, have it tell you what that is that you are looking at. Also, real-time translation, very important these days. If you're traveling, you can go ahead, take these abroad, and not have to worry about the language barrier. It's got storage inside, so it's going to go ahead and save your files, and then you go ahead and connect to this by Bluetooth to your phone, and then it will go ahead and share those video recordings, and you can go ahead and download them on your phone. These things look very nice. Super comfy, by the way. Got these nice little rubber pieces right here for your nose so they stay in place. It also comes with those pieces. It also comes with some attachments here. These you can go ahead and stick on here to go ahead and further wrap these around your ear, keep them in place if you're doing sports, things like that. Here is the charging cable. It's got these magnetic contacts, so you want to go ahead and stick it on right here. It'll go ahead and just snap into place, and then it's got a USB on the other end. This thing also comes with this cloth right here to go ahead and clean off the lenses, and it comes with this carry bag. So you'll go ahead and be in good hands with this product. It's got this button right here to go ahead and record, take photos, and then it's got a secondary button right here for the AI assistant to go ahead and also make voice recordings. So these things are very beautiful. They look great on a variety of faces. Here is a look at some sample footage that I took with these. Alrighty, here is a look at the video quality. Pretty decent. It is 1080p, and this is indoors, so the lighting's not the best. But to go ahead and start that video, I just press that red button 2 times real quick, and then to go ahead and stop it, I will go ahead and press it again. And inside the settings on the app, you can change the max length for the video. I have it set to 3 minutes. So overall, I highly recommend these AI 4-in-1 smart glasses from Coucur. Thanks for watching.